have no nyash. Don't look at my nyash. Yeah, bro! It's fun! It's fun! It's fun in Africa! What's up my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My good name is JJ4 and I think you know my name, guys. I'm not supposed to say to tell you my name because you actually in my video guys. And today video, man, I'm coming live from Kenya, Nairobi City, guys, as you know, man. And guys, today video will be amazing video for you guys. I think you are going to love it. I think you are going to love it, man. Today, you know. Yeah. Guys, as you can see, I'm not alone. Now we are my friend actually. So to give this camera to introduce ourselves, bro.
I'm recording you, so I can just record myself here, but there is a lot of but here you can just access me. Yeah, hello YouTube. Welcome back to this amazing channel, guys, at Sunday JJ4, guys. Yeah, already in the city, already it's about to go down, guys. As you just see, we are out. We are here heading to Nairobi waterfalls, guys. As you just know, we are going to give you good vibes and give moments, guys, from that place. So what we can just say is that just keep on watching this video till the end, guys. It's going to be an amazing one. As you just know, like, everything's just gonna go good. I'm not alone, guys. We are many, but everyone is going to just introduce himself. Yeah, just watch the video till the end and it's going to be an amazing one, guys. So guys, Edwin Magabe, and just introduce yourself.
Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Sunday JJ channel, guys. It's not my first time being here. It's not my first time being here. I'm saying it's not my first time being here, but guys, I was greeting someone at the road I just met. So we are going to the amazing place right now, guys. Hope you enjoy. Hope you will support the video, guys. I'm Edwin Magabe, coming live from Nairobi. This is the Thika Super Highway, guys. I'm not alone, bro.
Oh yeah. You can't be alone.
Tell them who you are, bro.
This is the Suku Benito.
Sunday JJ's
welcome to Sunday JJ's channel, guys. I know it's not your first time seeing me. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are new, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share. Go check out my channel at the Suku Benito, and I will appreciate also so much. Road to success. We are on top of a footbridge. Let me show them. You see, guys, the cars how they pass. So to mean we're on the top of a footbridge with the gang. So guys,
So guys, we just the matatu is this is not Nganya. You know, I know the Nganya is now the famous matatu in Kenya, but we are going to use this, guys, as you can see, and we are here, we are waiting here. Mimi nataka kukaa hapa bro. Oh, guys, we are searching for tuk-tuk to reach us at the waterfalls, man. As you can see, we have landed from where we are from. Bro.
For sure, for sure.
For sure, for sure.
Have you ever
no. It's my first time to test. I want to test today, you know.
How is the experience?
How is the experience of people of tuk-tuk? So guys, as you can see, guys, we are searching for tuk-tuk to reach us at the waterfalls, man, and kindly, man. Tune in, keep watching until the end. I'm in the amazing city called Tika. Not like a city, is a center. Let me say it's a center. So bro,
The city center, bro.
how are you, bro?
What's up? It's an amazing time, amazing day, amazing time again. Yeah, we have already reached at the place where we were almost to come.
You know, you have to
Yeah, to be seen at a good position.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
you want to stand because of the sunlight. So guys, you have already reached at. How have they said the place is called?
I don't know, but we are going at waterfall.
Yeah, we are going at Nairobi.
It's my first time to
Nairobi
go,
Juja waterfall. We are going to Nairobi Juja waterfall.
Oh, it's called Nairobi Juja.
Yeah, we can say because this place we are in Juja.
Oh, we are in Juja. We are not in Thika.
Yeah, we are not in Thika, but Thika is in front. Yeah, we could continue to Thika, but we just stop to Juja. So we want to go this way. Yeah, we are going to use this route, guys, as you can see. We are going to use the route to the place where we are going at.
Let's wait for tuk-tuk.
Yeah, we want to board a tuk-tuk, guys. We want to board this tuk-tuk today, as you can just see. Yeah, we want to board the tuk-tuk. At least they always. Yeah, they are now parking there.
As you can see, man.
This is a parking place of tuk-tuk. As you can just see, they are just many around the place. So hey bro, I can see something shining on your hand. What's that?
Oh, this.
Hey, I can see it shining from far, bro.
Guys, you know,
That's a tattoo. Even your name. I can see your name there.
JJ, a star, bro.
Hey bro, you're a star. Sunday JJ
I have
star.
3 tattoos.
Yeah,
I have this.
What does
You know,
that one
this
mean?
means traveling, guys.
You're traveling.
Yeah, there is a plane,
A plane,
here,
yeah, you can see the
and there is a love. What is this, bro? I don't know what is this. This is a bag.
There's a bag, this I love bag, and
This is also a bag.
yeah, those are the luggages.
Oh, the luggage.
Yeah, so to mean you always travel with your luggages.
Man,
Or you want to be a traveler, bro.
man, more energy,
You
bro.
want to be moving from maybe Kenya to
Yeah, to another country, you know. And also, I have my name here.
You have your name there, I can see.
Yeah, I have my name here also. And I have this. Also this means time, guys.
It means time. Yeah, but this one means, as you can see there, there's some Roman numbers like that indicates time, guys. You know, so it means that this man is so busy. Like his time, he's managing time. Yeah, as you just know, guys. So just keep watching the video till the end, guys. It's going to be an amazing one, guys. Yeah, it's going to be an amazing. And already we were to book the. We were using.
Bro, you have already changed.
Yeah, they have already changed the mind.
Non seremo. Simushuke tuchukue gari nyingine bana. Hii haitotosha. So guys, we are already in the tuk-tuk. So continue. This is the tuk-tuk and we are in the tuk-tuk. We are heading at the waterfall. This area actually cannot use a means of transport. Transport something that you can use. So you can use a car, all our bike, all our plane, all our helicopters, all our dogs. In Kenya there is a lot of things, a lot of things that are means of transport. The main means of transport that's found in Kenya. Like a motorbike. This is like a motorbike, and if you can see, guys, we are the gang. As you know, as guys, we are like a family. But make sure you check us on.
We go by
So what's up, my good people? I'm in the forest, man. A big forest in Nairobi. I don't know the name of this place, but I'm going to confirm, man. I'm going to confirm, guys. So guys, as you can see here, man, I am seeing the new things, guys. New things, not like all to me, guys. My first time to see like this, guys, these things, guys. It's a big forest, and there is a waterfalls down there. We are going to see a waterfalls, a big waterfalls in Kenya. That explains that there is a big waterfall here in Kenya and other countries. So guys, we are going to see it, and as you can see, this is the guide. This subscribe. So guys, and guys, make sure you watch this amazing video until the end. This is like a hill, and as you can see, I'm going down, guys. I'm not going like this, I'm going down. So this means this is a hill, man, as you can see, man. And make sure you subscribe, man. So let's go. I have to be careful, man, so that I can't go down, man. I can go down, man. So we are ready in the water. So let me go in the main, man, the main places, guys. Am I going to close there? Actually, guys, as you can see, it's like a building, guys. This is like a bridge, as you can see, man, a bridge. And let's go, guys. Let's go. And I hope that you are going to be one of notified that hey, Sunday JJ4, now it's live, now it's posting the live. Kwani mulipita? Guys, I'm asking that man, where are you crossing, man? So I'm here, bro. I'm here. make sure you subscribe to my channel, man. And that's the thing, guys, I beg you, man, make sure you subscribe. Remember, the way I'm showing you good vibe in the village, in the city, man. Hey, is it loud, man? What's it, man? What's this? This is road what, man? Oh, man, what is this? It's big, bro. It's big. Tell me in the comment section, guys. Let me show you. It's big, man. Is it loud? And it is building, man. What is this? You know, it's my first time to be here. I have to confirm. Ah, yeah, guys. Wow, guys. It's going and it's continue to go on, guys. Huh? Let me go fast. Let me go fast. Let me show you what I mean. The main point. Hey, am I going to close this place? Oh, guys, do you see me? I'm here. I'm just here. And let me close. It's another day that God bless us to wake up, man, and to show people a lot of things here in Kenya. Man, that's why I'm here, guys. But the way I'm passing a very, very dangerous bushes. That's why I'm very careful, guys, with my body, because there is a snake here. You can meet a snake. You can meet a crocodile. You can meet a lion. This is a big forest, as you can see. So, guys, actually, this is the top, and let me show you the front. Wow, man. Oh, guys, this is a very good waterfall, as you can see, man. A very famous waterfall here in Thika, as you can see, man. Let me take you down there, because it's like a big. Let me show you, bro. Do you hear what I'm saying? It's very big, guys, as you can see. Very big, as you can see, man. Very big. And this is the place where water move from there to here. And as you can see, hey, guys, I'm very scared. I'm very scared, guys. I'm very scared. Can you jump? Yeah. Can you jump?
I can't jump here.
Yeah. Oh, can you jump?
I can't jump to this place.
I can.
You can jump?
I can catch for me, bro. I can jump.
You can jump in this place. And you see then the way. Can you see Orochirioki? Can you see the smoke down there?
Hey,
the water, the force of water, the force of water. As you can just see there, it's far. But that force of smoke, the force of water, the way it's moving, it hits us down there and it removes some, you know, some minerals that comes as smoke. As you can just see, you can see the movement. Because the power, the water has power.
Oh, so it's very dangerous.
Yeah, it's very dangerous. Bro, you tell me that you can...
Bro, I was testing, but I can't. I can't, bro, I can't.
These are hidden gem, man, here.
Man, can you jump?
Here, where?
There.
To down there?
Yeah. You can't.
Bro, it's crazy.
Guys, so this is the war, man. Let me take you to your picture. Man. So this is actually the places, guys, and like very beautiful places, so that you can come. When you are in Nairobi, you are in Thika, please, guys, come in this place. This is an amazing waterfall in Kenya. You can come and chill here, guys. It's a clean water. As you can see, bro, it's a clean water. Bro, this is a good normal. This is a good thing that I never see in my future, man. I never see in my future, guys. This is a beautiful place that I never see in my life as I'm from this. This is the way water, guys. Let me touch it for you well. See, man, it's a beautiful place. So let me hold this. So I'm here, your old son in the waterfall, guys, and I love you, man, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Oh, Welcome to the big forest in Kenya, guys. One of the biggest forest in Kenya, guys. As you can see, man, this is a big forest, big forest. And I'm decided to visit this place because of you, man, to show you a lot of things, guys, here in Kenya. This is waterfall. This is Thika. I don't know this Thika, but this waterfall found in Nairobi city. So guys, guys, I'm so sweating. I'm so sweating, man, because I never come in this place. I never come in this place, man. Let me remove my sweater. Let me remove my sweater first, then we will talk. Let me wear my sweater. Let me wear, not remove. Let me wear, not remove. So guys, I'm coming live from Kenya, Africa. Mate. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the big mud falls of a waterfall. Actually, this called waterfalls, man. You know, this called waterfall. That's why I'm here, bro. I'm here, bro. Guess what? I'm here to you. Don't say Sunday JJ4. Don't give us fuck, man. Are you give us nothing things, so you give me the thing so that I can enjoy. That's why I'm here. I'm giving you what you want. I'm giving you the lily life of Kenya, the lily life in the world, exploring the streets in Africa and all over the country, all over the world, man. You know. So let's go, man. Let's go. Let me explore these things. Let me explore the waterfalls. I never see this waterfall from in my future, guys. In my future, I never see something like this for sure. It's very amazing, man. As you can see, from there, there's a many waters. Is it many water or a lot of water? Let me see in a comment section. Is it many water or a lot of water, guys? Teach me English if you are from USA. Because here in Kenya, as you can see, guys, here in Kenya, if you want English, go teach yourself English, guys. So the good things you can do is, when you are not subscribing, make sure you subscribe. This is your boy, Mr. Sunday JJ4. I'm coming right from Kenya. My hometown is Kenya. There is a lot of people asking yourself, hey, is it this boy from Kenya? Yeah, man, I'm from Kenya, man. The famous country in Africa. Gama, you show me John of you, man. This is the best things, guys. As you know, man. I'm showing you. Let's go. I'm giving you a lot of words, guys, without recording. Let me go. Today I have vibes, guys. Today I have vibes. I don't know why. So, man, let's go at least. Man, let's go at least 2K subs, man. At least 3K subs. At least 4K subs, 5K subs, man. I will congratulate you, man. I will congratulate myself because I'm doing a good job, man. Oh, this is tattoo. I know there is someone asking yourself, what is this Sunday JJ4 in your body? This is tattoo, man, and I have 3 tattoos. I have also in my name, and this is star, and I will be a star, and this is Sunday JJ, and this means the traveler. This tattoo means the traveler. So just wait this video until the end, man. Make sure you lead me not 1K. Make sure you lead me 5,000 subscribers in this month. Okay? Don't joke, man. So let's go. Guys, I'm going that places because it's very deep, man. I'm going to close this, and after this, I will go in this. And after I'm here. After that, I'm asking for subscribing. I'm asking for likes. I'm asking for you to share this video for your friends or for your family. Tell your family that Mr. Sunday JJ from Kenya. Have an amazing vlog, man. So let's go, guys. I have to be careful because this is like let me say it's like how I can call this, like a hall. Let me say it's like a hall of, but it's permanent, but it's very risky. It's permanent but very risky. You have to be careful. And this actually the stairs. You have to use these stairs until down there, man. Until down there, man. Can you see? Can you tell me? This video is very good. Can you see me? Can you see me? Tell me what next do you need so that I can show you, bro. Is it good? Is it good video? This is the stairs that you are using, man. This is the stairs that you are using. After this, I'm coming this, man. I can't explain you more, bro. Come and visit. You can, I think you can like the place. But if you are USA and you don't want to visit Kenya, I'm giving you warning, guys. I'm giving you warning. Feel like I should speak. He is in Kenya now. As we are talking, I should speak. He is in Kenya. He's in Masai Mara now. Today's on Monday. He have a trip in 2 days, Sunday and Monday, man. So let's go. Bilika. I should speed. Visit Kenya. Kenya is amazing country you never see in your future, man. Cool. Don't give a knee fuck, man. Today I have more energy, man, and you want to lose my energy, you want to lose my mood. Don't be like that, man. Subscribe this channel. Allah. Hey, I'm in the forest. I'm in the forest. Guys, I'm in the forest. I'm in the forest. Don't be like a fan boy. Visit even a village. Don't be a city boy in all future, bro. And don't be a village boy in all future, bro. Be one day a city boy. Yeah, man. A center boy. Don't be like a village boy. So guys, we are going here. As you can see, it's a very beautiful place. As you can see, bro, a very beautiful place. As you can see, bro. What's up, bro? Welcome.
I can see you're on.
Yeah, I'm on.
Recording, guys, this video.
This video is very good, bro.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the beautiful, bro. The beautiful blood. Hello, guys, these are beautiful places, guys. As you can, let me, I can get it, man. Hey, let me hold here my phone. I don't want the problem with my phone, bro. I am Evan. Do you want the problem with your phone, bro? You can't. Do you want the problem with your phone to hold in the water, man? You can drop your phone in water, man. That's why.
So I don't want to go with this there. That's why it gets hard for me to record video.
Man,
with your phone.
Yeah.
I can't get
that's why, tell them, that's why you need the support so that you can buy a camera, man. You know?
Assist me by a GoPro camera, guys.
Man.
For this, you can't get this phone in water, guys. You know?
Man.
You can't get this phone. But when you have a GoPro
when you have this,
like
guys, like this, you can record well, man. You know?
can just set it here and record. But for me, guys, I don't have a 3-point stand. I don't have anything, so I have to hold my phone like this.
Yeah, man.
Or change the so guys.
So go check him out.
I am
and
Evan,
say
guys.
something about camera, guys. Say something about.
I can just say that
Yes,
I need a support. If there's someone who just can access to help me or support me get a GoPro camera, guys. Think and I can just appreciate for all things, guys. You know, when I have a GoPro camera, I can be easy and able to record the videos in the town, in the matatu, in the street, in the river here. But this phone, bro, when you touch like this, you just get snatched and it goes away, you know, here in the city. So guys, watch the video till the end. It's going to be amazing, but I need the support, guys, for me to buy a GoPro camera.
Man,
so that
even
I can give you good vlogs from the city, from the village, and everywhere.
And guys, if you know Evan, my boy, guys, kindly support my boys here, guys, you know. Yeah, it's all coming. So it's all about to go down with this waterfall, you know, and it's very amazing. Let me catch it. Let me catch where they coming. Let me catch where they coming. Let me catch where they coming. We are going to it's all about to go down. Hey, but me, guys, I can't go down, bro.
You can't go down, bro.
Hey. Go ahead. Because I can't go down now, bro.
It's very cold.
Very cold, bro. Here. Boxer.
The boxer.
Get the flow.
Riz how Riz, bro. Riz or Riz. So man, me too. I'm waiting to you. I need to see your comment section.
Let me ask you, bro.
Ask me, bro.
Are you going to get into water?
What?
Are you going to get into water?
Hey, I'm going to get it, man. But I can record for you if you want to go, because me, I don't have you know, it's very cold and I'm not feeling good for sure. Yeah, and let me record for you.
Yeah, you can just hold it for
let
the
me
camera,
record for you.
and I'll just appreciate Sunday, bro,
Man.
because you know, I don't have someone to
bro, you are my friend. You are my friend, bro. You are my friend. Yeah.
You know,
my friend.
Bro, they've said it's about to go.
It's about to go down. Yo. Oh, you want?
I just finished in Kenya, guys. Just know.
2 days, guys.
Yeah, 2 days.
In Kenya.
Yeah, I just come 2 days.
And guys, tell them we want to be like Aisha.
You want to be like Aisha, yeah? You know, I think now, guys, you started seeing how Kenya is a very good country, and how Kenya has many things to explore.
Man, you know? A lot of things like this, guys. You can come from USA and come to visit these things here, guys. You know, these things very amazing things, guys. That you know, man. You know, so we have to support each other, guys. As you know, man, we have to. What's so rush here? You know, Kenya, man. Let's go, man. Can't explain you more. Bro, you can get in with your phone also, man. You can get in with your phone or with your camera.
That one is risking, bro. That one is risking to get in water with your phone. It's risking, you know.
Hey, it's risky. Not you. I was not you.
Just the man I can get on TV.
So guys, let me record for this man because you know I have to record, guys, because we are single. We don't have even a girlfriend to recording us in the beautiful place like this, guys. As you know. So the thing I know is, guys, make sure you subscribe my channel. Make sure you comment to my channel, and I will feel good, man. I will thank God, man. You will do a very important thing in this world, all in my future, man. You will support me a lot, man. I know you don't know me, guys. Me, I don't know you, but it's not easy, guys, to support someone who you don't know. But for me, guys, let's a family, man. You understand? It's a family, and also let us be like one. Bro, are you tired?
No, I'm not tired because
Where you get out?
I want to keep my phone here. They're using GoPros. I'm using a mobile phone.
Oh, you are using a mobile phone?
Yeah, I can't go with mobile phone in the water. Bad. Yeah, man.
Bro, me not record, man. Unajua hadi mimi nataka ni record hiyo. Okay, man. What's up, my good people? Guys, yeah. The meetings, you know. It's about to go down.
Yeah, remove the socks, bro. So that you can be able.
Evan,
yes.
Am I looking good, man?
Bro, you are handsome with the goggles, bro, and the swimming costume. The way you look from down up to top. You're perfect, bro. I love the vibe, bro.
Really?
Yeah, we have to move now to that place. Or you want to get into water?
Me, I want to get this, bro. Also, you mean that?
Yeah, get into water so that I can record you.
My friend.
Yeah, get into water, bro, so that you can get to swim, yo.
A lot of time without swimming, man.
Yeah, a lot of time, bro. Just go slowly, and you'll just reach the point. Hey, hey. Hey, you nani? You want to get, bro? You're sharing water.
I'm not feeling water.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to fear. I'm not feeling.
You're not fearing, but you are trying to fear water.
But I can't fear.
But you can't fear. Yeah? You know you are a gentleman, bro.
Yeah, I can't fear.
Yeah, I'm just recording very smart.
That's why I'm telling you. Can you move from that side?
Oh, I moved to that point. And you know the sun? Yeah. Yo. He's getting the vibe, bro, from inside water. Bro, you have gone down. Yeah. Hey, bro, this place is dangerous. I can go down anytime. You want to get out, bro? I want to get out. Get.
Don't be careful. Some get a big
Yeah, the video
injury.
Oh, let's go, bro. Guys, hey.
As you can see, man, this is a very dangerous stone, guys. You can go down, man. You can go down, man. Hey, bro, I don't go. Hey, guys, I am amazing. Very dangerous, guys. You have to be careful. Very, very, very careful. But I'm going to record it for you, man. I'm going to make sure that I'm recording for you. As you can see, man, hey! So guys, this is actually the place. As you can see, man. Here is very dangerous, guys. As you see, man, you know. So, man, this is how we enjoy in Kenya. This is how we have a good thing in Kenya. This is how we enjoy in Kenya. This is how we have a fight in Kenya. This is how we enjoy in Kenya. Guys, this is how I should speak. Enjoy in Kenya. I will let you to enjoy together with us, man. You know, I will enjoy it too. Enjoy with us. Hey, guys, I was almost to get injured here because this sounds very dangerous, guys, and you have to be careful, very careful with your leg, with your also with your this how I can call this. I don't know, you can answer me. Oh, so man, it's all about you, man. We are recording for you. As you can see, guys, this water is coming with force, and that's why it's coming with force. That's why you see the smoke. The smoke, you see something like a smoke here? Yeah, man. So that's why this is coming with a very, very, very big forces, man. And I can't say that I know more about this waterfall, but if you know more about waterfall, man, let me see in the comment section that Sunday before. I love this, what you are doing in Kenya, and I wish you one day to come in my country so that you can see more about than your country. I will feel good and more happiness. More happiness in your country or in my country. Oh, wow. Let me be careful. I'm very far from my home. Benito, be careful, bro. You are very, very, very far from your place. So, Mr. Sandy. Hey, so this is a big tree, guys. Actually, don't forget that in the starting of this video, I was saying that this is a big forest in Nairobi. This is a big forest in Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi, Kenya. So, let's go, mister. This stone are very bright, man. Very bright. I don't know why. Oh, there is someone with the phone here. And what is this? What is this, guys? Huh? Very fun. Guys, this is a beautiful place. You can chill here. And the big stones, man. Why? man. Here with your Mr. Bad Boy, Mr. Bad Boy, Mr. Bad Boy, Mr. Bad Boy. Am I going to make a bad love in my head tomorrow? Do you going to make it? Bad meaning in my hair? Do you going to make it? If you are in Nairobi and you can do this, make sure you DM me, bro. Make sure you DM me. Let's see in our comments. Let me see in the chatting section. Ha-boo! Ha-boo-boo! Ha-boo-boo! So guys,
Yeah, you want to dress up, bro? Check the battery. Yeah, it's how you feeling the water, bro?
Water is very amazing.
Very amazing but cold.
Very amazing.
Can see this man here again.
I'm
Bro.
shivering, bro. Very cold.
Yeah.
Let me just put on my clothes.
And yours, you can just me, guys. I just put I'm already on my clothes because the way I felt, it wasn't good for me, guys. So yes, Sunday JJ dressing up, and it's about to get out of this place because it's already getting late, and we have to go at least get. So look if you can get some public transportation vehicle to our place where we are coming from, guys. Yeah, but here in water it's already 6 p.m.
Oh, is it already?
Yeah, it's already 6 p.m. bro. Let me see. Yeah, it's 9 minutes to 6. 9 minutes to 6. So guys, I've seen the man is already on. Bro. Yeah, everyone is now washing and want to change. So guys, we are done. You can see everyone is now here. Everyone is now
on.
Yeah, you are now on. So you can see now people are dressing, guys, you know, putting on. Yeah, Benito.
What up?
Yeah, bro, today you have get into a huge waterfall in Nairobi city.
Man, I didn't imagine we can find a waterfall in Nairobi.
Yeah, we just knew that we can only find the waterfall in the village there.
Even a river, man.
Even a river. Yeah, since I came, this is the first river and waterfall I'm just seeing in the city. Apart from those rivers passing around even those are.
We should plan and come here during daytime.
Yeah, daytime. Yeah, when it's sunny, even we can have to even to cook and enjoy the meals of this place. You know, bro, this place, like when you can sit there, when you can light their fire. You know, like,
For sure.
yeah, for sure. This place, you know, the stones, you know, the way them a figure. We can now use here. We will plan. Let's go when we just get home. We'll just plan for everything. And how about to go and get the good content? Bro, you're done, man?
Yeah, I'm done. So guys, thank you so much for watching this amazing vlog from Mr. Sunday JJ. And now guys, now I'm good. Now I'm good, I'm clean. As you can see, I'm very, very clean. And I want now to go where we are from, we are living. We can't waste the time. I'm waiting for our friends here. After that I will go home. This video is the almost end, guys. Thank you so much for watching until this part, and make sure you subscribing, make sure you comment, tell your friends, tell your friends that such Mr. Sunday JJ4. We have an amazing channel so that you can watch until the end, and I will appreciate man. You know me, actually each and every day I'm telling you that I love my fan. I love you, man. I love my fan. Very lovely, very lovely, man. So kindly go check, watch until the end. I'm your boy, Mr. Sandy JJ4, as this name means, man. As this name means, Mr. Sandy JJ. So go search this name. Go search this name, and you will enjoy. And at the end, meet you in the next video. In this video, it's more good than all. So keep watching and subscribe in this channel. Bye. Meet in the next. So guys, thank you so much for watching this amazing video until here, guys. So may God bless you guys when you are going to watch this vibe video, guys, and make sure guys you reach all of us out, and make sure that you subscribe, share for your friend, share for your friend, and guys, it's almost to finish the video. And
for sure, man.
Let me
you see what? Come, bro. I want this view.
Oh, you want
I really like this view. You see guys from the back.
Yeah.
So Edwin Mugabe just told us, man, to visit here, but we are so sorry we came here very late. It's because of like time where we are staying here very far. Yeah, very far. So we just came here to view, and next time guys we are coming here planned now. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching this video until end. We are forever grateful, man, for the love and support you guys do show us. We just decided to come here this time, man. 6 p.m. The water is so cold we were in, but I'm at least now warm because you know what?
You have
I'm on
the
my
clothes.
Yeah, I'm on my clothes. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to this amazing channel if you haven't. Road to success. Go check me out at Gasuku Benito. Subscribe to my channel, man, and I will appreciate so much. So let's meet in the next one, guys. Bye. Love you all.
Man, so it's how we live. It's how, man. Go check him out and subscribe also, man. Okay. So let's meet in the next one. Don't forget that I'm your boy, Mr. Sandy JJ4, and I'm always saying that I am.
Yeah, what's up?
Mister, how are you, bro?
I'm so good.
How is your experience?
The experience here is amazing.
Here
I brought you
here.
You
bring us today here, and we have a lot.
How have you seen the experience here, bro?
A lot of enjoyment, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bringing me here, bro. I enjoy it, and make sure you bring me here next time, guys.
We will be here back to back.
I know that
don't
you have
mind.
a lot of places that
We'll visit more places.
Guys, to show
This is my boy, this is my bro. We will go places, more than places, guys.
Yeah, man.
So stay tuned. Kindly go check me out at Edwin Mugabe Vlogs on YouTube, and I will be amazed to see your support by subscribing, commenting, and liking. Thank you for this day. Thank you for this amazing time. See you on our next video. Top Shota. Love you guys.
Meet in the next one.